Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to use Submagic AI in 2026. First, go to Submagic AI, you find the link in the description, and this is dashboard. Click create shorts video, upload your video, and Submagic AI automatically added amazing caption for your video, and use any style on this you like it, and you can add emoji for the captions, and click here for captions. Added any emoji you want for more engagement, like this. Use this, and you can add a b-rolls too. B-rolls is automatically with AI, no editing manually. It's Look at this video is perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. It's amazing tools. If you want to try Submagic AI, you find the link in the description. And thank you for watching. See you the next one.